Welcome to Lusaka, Zambia. Yes, this is Lusaka, not Florida, USA. I am at Western Hotel in Lusaka, just taking a much needed break. I'm in the middle of putting my ceiling.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own.
So today is day 2 of installing my ceiling board, and I am allergic to dust, like seriously allergic to dust, so I couldn't stay in the house.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan.
And so I decided to come and spend the night over here, and it's been a lovely stay.
Your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
She have brought my swimsuit. Look at this. Oh my, oh my. I think I can sit on the swing for a little bit. This is what it looks like during the day. It's gorgeous.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now it's time to go back and do some work. Thank you so much for being here. Have you subscribed yet?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Welcome to BUSEKO.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
is the factory where they make everything. There is so much going on right now. Crazy. Okay.
The thing that makes you to see maybe it's because of the white line.
Yes, it's the white. No, I can tell it's the white line, but I just want to make sure that you know for sure that it's level. No problem. So what do you use yourselves to make sure it's level? How did you measure?
You cut this corner into the same measurement.
You've already gone through with the tape measure?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see before you go very far. So you are going to show me after you finish there. And that,
I use this one. All around.
Okay.
Like this. Have you seen?
Yeah.
All around.
Same that side. So this is the measuring stick that you are using. No, that makes sense. That makes sense. This is how I learned. So next time I'll know. But have you noticed that some of them are reaching and others are a little bit short? Have you noticed it yourself? Let's go to the next one. Is it reaching? So is the idea for it to reach all of them? Let's see the other. Okay. Okay. Here's the final result. None of these bulbs work because I don't know what they did. Trying to call the electrician is not answering. But nonetheless, this is what it looks like. It's a bit dark because as usual there's no power. This is the bathroom. There's a gap up there that they have to finish with tiling. Yeah, this is the final look. And of course there is the panel that is different that they couldn't notice to remove. This was a mistake from the factory and they didn't let me know. Actually, I discovered it when I came back yesterday. Just typical, like why have that one lone one? it. Doing the grouting now. This is what it looks like so far. I think when you guys come back next time, you have to do some finishing touches in my bedroom when I'm not here, yeah, because the grouting wasn't done. You can see the spaces. So this is lovely. My kitchen is truly transformed. This is what the bathroom looks like now. I really like the color I chose. The floor is being done.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to give me a like and share this video with anybody that might be interested in it. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.